Hey everyone, great job crushing that workout. But did you know that what you eat after exercising is just as important as the workout itself? While it's tempting to reach for your favorite snack, some foods can actually sabotage your recovery and progress. Today I'm sharing 4 foods you should avoid after a workout to maximize your results. Let's dive in. Number 1. Fried and greasy foods. After a workout, your body needs nutrients to repair muscles and replenish energy. But greasy foods like fries, burgers, or chips are high in unhealthy fats, which slow down digestion and can leave you feeling sluggish. Instead of helping your body recover, they can cause inflammation and make it harder for your muscles to heal. Number 2. Sugary snacks and drinks. That post-workout donut or soda might seem like a quick energy boost, but it's actually a bad idea. Sugary foods cause a spike in blood sugar, followed by a crash, leaving you feeling tired. Plus, they don't provide the protein or nutrients your muscles need to recover. Opt for something with natural sugars, like fruit, paired with protein instead. Number 3. Alcohol. Celebrating your workout with a drink? Think again. Alcohol dehydrates your body, and after a workout, you're already losing fluids through sweat. It also interferes with muscle repair and protein synthesis, slowing down your recovery. Save the cheers for later and rehydrate with water or an electrolyte drink first. Number 4. Highly processed snacks. Processed snacks like chips or cookies are often loaded with empty calories, sodium, and unhealthy fats. They lack the essential nutrients your body needs to recover and can even lead to bloating or water retention. Instead, choose whole, nutrient-dense foods like a protein shake, Greek yogurt, or a balanced meal with lean protein and veggies. Remember, your post-workout meal is all about fueling your body for recovery and growth. Avoid these 4 foods, and instead, focus on lean proteins, healthy carbs, and plenty of water. Your body will thank you, and you'll see better results in no time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fitness and nutrition tips. See you in the next video.